partnerships. So coming across to the left-hand side and selecting partnerships, you can create your first partner. A partner is someone that you're going to bill or send invoices to in the future. So click create partnership. So this partnership agreement is between you and GloPay. This is where you'll be delivering your services and GloPay will be handling all the paperwork. So it's very important that you read through the partnership agreement as well as the service contract. And these agreements are standardized and cannot be customized. So go through and review and accept these. You can also download them here on the left. And once you fully understand the partnership agreements, check the box that you've read them and agreed to the terms and click proceed. And just a quick note whilst we're on partnerships here, if you want to agree with your client on all things to do with scope, deliverables, or other service details, that needs to be done outside the GloPay platform. Next, moving on to your bank details.